In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the new RCBS Matchmaster multi-cartridge loading block. Hey guys, Gavin here from UltimateReloader.com. You gotta love a good loading block, and I'm excited to check out the new RCBS Matchmaster multi-cartridge loading block. And I've got not one, but I've actually got two here. And the reason that I specifically got two is because one of the things that these loading blocks do is stack. They're made out of 6061 aluminum. They've got a black coating. They're precision machined. They've got this nice engraving on here, the RCBS and Matchmaster. They've got no slip feet. They have through holes so that your powder will go through rather than collecting in the bottom and causing your cartridges to tip as they sit in there. But perhaps the most interesting thing about this loading block is the dual fit design. For this particular SKU, we've got both 308 and 223 case rim compatibility. So with your 223, you're going to be able to do things like 223, 300 blackout, any of those 223 case rim cartridges that are non-rebated, right? So a 22 nozzler has a larger body diameter, that would not fit in. But a lot of the 223 variants will. And then for the 308 case rim, we've got a ton of different cartridges that are gonna work with this, including 308, 30-06. There's gonna be all of the Creedmoor cartridges, 22, 6, 25, and 6.5, your 6-dasher, your 6 GT, and on and on and on. There's a whole bunch of cartridges that use that 308 case rim. These are two of the most common cartridges that we load for. The 308 case rim and the 223, and then after that would probably be Magnum. So that's a quick look. Next, let's put these to the test and actually use them to see how they're gonna perform. So I've got some 6.5 Creedmoor cases and some 223 cases. Let's just see how these are going to fit in here. That actually seems really good. So there's 10 of those, and then if we take, say, 10 of these 223s, those are gonna drop into the middle. So sure enough, there they are, sitting nice and flat in there, upright. That's what RCBS calls dual fit. We've got two different case rim diameters that have been machined into each of the holes there. And the other cool thing is you've got those through holes where the powder can go through. I'll do a demo on that in just a little bit. So I'm gonna throw some powder into our measure and we can see what it's like to dispense powder into the cases. So we're gonna do a couple different powder scenarios here. Here I have the UPM3 competition powder measure from RCBS. We're gonna do a direct throw. This is 40 grains of H4350, which for a 6.5 Creedmoor is gonna be a great load for something like a 140 grain bullet. So one of the things that you can do with the loading block is you can just do direct throws. Again, this is for where you are not concerned necessarily about trickling, and where plus or minus maybe like 0.1 or 0.2 grains is going to be sufficient for the load that you're working with. And that seems super slick. I can see my powder. And then if we were going to use something like a ChargeMaster, a powder dispenser of some sort, we can use a funnel, right? So we're going to need a pan here. From my ChargeMaster, we can dispense the load here and then use our funnel right here in the loading block. What I kind of like to do is to just kind of leave it on the last case. One little tip, just to give it a little bit of a wiggle as you lift it off of the case neck so that you don't have the funnel grab the case and lift the case out of the loading block. Don't ask me how I know that. So this is really, really nice. The tolerance there is good. It's easy to get the cases in and out, and they sit nice and straight. Very good. Loading powder, good. Okay, so to test the effectiveness of these flow-through holes, I just want to take one of these 40 grain charges and show you. Basically, this flows about like a case neck. So you're definitely not going to have the trouble of overflowing these flow-through holes, that's for sure. So it's nice, the stacking design. This is going to take up less room on your bench if you've got multiple blocks that you're working with and you're only working with one at a time, or to have them stored on your shelf. And then also I thought, let's take a look at some completed cartridges. I've got some factory ammunition here that we're going to use to kind of simulate that. These are going to sit in there. I like the dual fit design because you're essentially getting 2 reloading blocks in one, which is nice. I've also got a few 6.5 Creedmoor cartridges here that we can plug in. Yeah, that's nice. So that's the RCBS Matchmaster multi-cartridge loading block. What I'd like to know is, what do you think of this new product from RCBS? Drop a comment and I'll join you down there in the comments section. That's all for this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching Ultimate Reloader on TV and want to take advantage of free resources, exclusives, and hot deals, just hold your camera phone up to the QR code, tap on the link, fill out the information, boom, you're getting Ultimate Reloader emails. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. Thanks again for watching.